Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to change privacy settings on Twitter. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is follow the step as guided. So before getting started, make sure that you've updated your Twitter application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So first of all, open up your Twitter application. So after you open up your Twitter application, in the top left corner of your screen, tap on your profile icon. So after you tap on the profile icon, on the other side, scroll down right to the bottom and then tap on settings and support. So after you tap on settings and support, once again scroll down and then tap on settings and privacy on the second last option. So after you tap on settings and privacy, on the other page you have multiple options. So from here you'll have to tap on privacy and safety. So after you tap on privacy and safety, from here you have a list of options that you can change the privacy settings on. So the first one is audience and tagging. So right over here you can restrict people on tagging. So all you have to do is you'll have to tap on the button right in the corner and then you'll be able to protect your tweet. So after that, on the second option, there is your tweet. Manage the information associated with your tweet, and in case if you want to turn it on or turn it off, all you have to do is just tap on the button. So after that, you have on the third option, there is content you see. So after that, you have mute and block system. As you already know that in case if you want to block some contact or any accounts, then you can do this by just tapping on blocked account. And in case if you want to mute account, you have the same procedure, just tap on mute account and a list goes on. So after that, you have direct messages. So after that, you can customize on direct messages as well in case if you want to allow messages requests from everyone, and in case if you don't want to do it, just simply tap on the button. So after that, you have two different options, so you can go through it, and after you go through it, only then make sure to change the privacy settings on Twitter. So that is how you can change privacy settings on Twitter application. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. So make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.